Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
They're having a sale today, a sidewalk sale.
Let's hope it's inside because it's too chilly to be on the sidewalk.
Right now it shows, well, it shows it's 67, but I don't know. It feels a lot colder than that.
Yep. Here.
Yep. It's a sidewalk inside sale.
Yeah.
I don't see anything on the sidewalk
Good.
other than baskets.
Here we go in the Harbor Freight.
Parking lot sale.
The only thing in the parking lot is cars. Must be selling cars.
We're back.
Yeah, so we got this Daytona 2-ton crossbeam, and you put this on your hydraulic jack and you're able to lift one side of the car and get both tires off instead of doing one tire at a time.
Yeah.
This is safe because it lifts up the vehicle evenly. Or you can do the whole front end. Instead of putting the center of the jack, it has two pads, one on each side, and you can also adjust the height on those to raise it up, and you can do the front brakes, back brakes. It's a game changer. It's like gives you half the time to do the work.
So what does it do? Does it make it easier because it's...
I want to quote John F. K. We don't do stuff because it's easy. We do it because it's hot.
Because it's hot.
That's right.
What you gonna do?
Brake pads and rotors all the way around.
Yep. You're gonna put to good use your new Daytona jack attachment.
Fun.
They're awfully pretty, boss.
Awfully pretty, boss. Yep, nice and shiny.
Why do they have slots in them? What are those for, babe?
These slots are for dissipate the heat
Uh-huh.
when you're braking.
Yeah.
These slotted ones dissipate the heat better than the solid ones. And it's a less chance for them warping from the heat.
They're nice.
Yeah.
One more tire?
One more.
Got the brakes done.
Yep. It runs good, brakes good.
Yep.
Broke the brakes in. Rides real nice. Put on the brake, stops pretty fast. Everything's ready, good to go.
Sweet. That was a pretty easy afternoon project. Didn't take too long, right?
No.
Yep.
I wish I could have just went boom and it was done, but hey,
Yeah.
gotta have some male labor.
Malleover.
That's right.
Sweet.
It's all done. One another project down.
Awesome.
Yeah.